Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're going to be working on how to create a new site for your business, magazine or personal blog on WordPress. So getting started. So we tap on add new sites. So we want to create wordpress.com site. So to create a new WordPress site with Jetpack app, we don't want to use the Jetpack app. And they say the Jetpack app provides start notifications and more to help you build and grow the WordPress site of your dreams. The WordPress app no longer supports creating a new site, so I must use the Jetpack app. Alright, so let's try the new Jetpack app. You have to install it. Okay, let's install the new Jetpack app. Tap on install. Let's see what it's all about. It's for productivity, art and design, graphics design. It works together with WordPress. So it helps create and manage your WordPress site on the go. Write, edit and publish from anywhere. Keep up with your stats on the go. Stay up to date with instant notifications. Creating a type of site in a few taps actually. Professional designs to help you build. Sum it up. So click on open. So let's try again. Say something went wrong. Let's try again and see. Okay, now we have to, I didn't activate the account, so I have to go to my email to activate the account. So let's do that. Let's check the email. This is the email. Alright, so let's confirm the email. So when creating an account or putting in every information, you have to confirm your email. Your email will be sent to you to confirm it. Now it has been confirmed, I think. So let's put in the username again. At least now we remember it's better than before. Let's click on continue. The password again. This password is not going to be the death of me. Alright, we're going to try our best to remember this password. Alright, let's log in. Are we good to go now? Yes, please save the password since we don't remember it. And we're in. It's as simple as that. Well, not too simple, but it wasn't too complicated either.